the haters. Listen, man, no matter what you do in life, you're gonna get fucking haters. All right, so you might as well just accept it. You're gonna get people that don't understand what you're doing, whether you're following your dreams or just going through the paces. They're gonna be there, giving you making themselves feel better about their failures and their fears by putting you down. You see, haters, trolls, all of them are just weak, scared little people who don't want to admit to themselves that they can do and be more. They believe the bullshit that they've been telling themselves all of their lives. They believe that it's his fault or her fault. They believe that you can't do this or that because of this and that. They believe this. So when they see someone like you defying all of their lies and achieving this, in spite of that, they panic. They go on the defensive. They start pulling you down. You know? Now I believe this evil species of hater comes in two forms. The first is the loud one. The one that don't hide their hate. You know, they comment a load of shit on your Facebook posts or create a blog about you of what's wrong with you and all of this and all of that. The other kind of hater is the more dangerous of the two though. And this hater works in whispers, in the background. To most people, and even you wouldn't even know that this person is a hater. But they operate in such a way that they are the single biggest killer of dreams and achievements on the face of this earth. You might call them friends. The ones that when you tell them a goal or a plan that you want to do, they whisper in your ear and tell you it's risky. They tell you what people, not them of course, will think if you do it. They tell you not to bother. Or worse, when you've done something good, rather praising you, they put you down. They tell you what you should have done better, with not even a hint of constructive criticism in sight. But just like the first kind of hater, their motives are the same. They know that if you do things, if you get that better job, start that business, ask that girl out, then it proves to everybody that it's possible. Which means that the hater could do it too, which goes against every fucking thing they have ever told themselves and others around them ever. How is someone gonna believe that I can't get that job because I didn't get the grades? I can't go to the gym, I ain't got the time. When you have just gone and got the job with the same grades. You've just gone to the gym with the same amount of fucking time. Be very, very wary of these haters. Follow your heart, not their advice. They may be good friends, good for a chat, good for a laugh, but when it comes to your dreams, your ambitions, their opinion is none of your fucking business.